So, there are gardens, there are untamed gardens, and then there's Elliot Point. This isn't a garden anymore, it's a botanical uprising. The weeds have formed a government, the brambles have established borders, and I'm fairly certain something in there is paying council tax. So, this is my current strimmer. It's small, very lightweight, battery powered, and for little jobs like this, it's okay. It'll do a little bit of trimming around the grass. But for a job like this, I need something with a bit more power. I need something that's going to walk up to a 10-foot nettle and go, "You're next." The answer to my problems, I think, has arrived. This is the Texas BCP 45K. It's not just a strimmer, it's a destroyer of worlds. The engine is made by Kawasaki and it weighs 9.5 kilograms. But don't worry about that, the harness on it is superb. So a proper strimmer harness doesn't just hold the machine, it transforms it. It's the difference between spending the afternoon strimming hedges or being mugged by gardening equipment. So today we're going to answer one question: can this strimmer tame this? This isn't just grass cutter, this is the green apocalypse. The strimmer head's fine for doing the grass and the light stuff, but when it comes to like a 6-foot nettle and a fern, you need to break out the big guns. So for this, we're going to bring out the weed whacker. So to change the strimmer head, it's dead easy. You have an Allen key which is provided. There's a hole in the top of the head here, and you put that in until you can feel it locate. There we go. And then she's left-handed thread, so we'll whiz that off. Then you're going to get a new blade. That's going to locate on there. Then we're going to put a washer. He's going to go on there. Okay. And using again the tool provided. Take out the pin and she's good to go. Elliot Point has spent the last 3 years trying to reclaim itself from civilization. Today, civilization fights back. It immediately became clear that we weren't just cutting weeds, we negotiated their surrender. Dock leaves gone, grass gone, brambles gone, decimated. That thing is a beast. Now, what do we like about it, what don't we like about it? What we love is how easy it is to start. Simply prime it, flick the switch over to start, and within 2 pulls she's going. Absolutely brilliant. I have a strimmer in my garage that's broken that we would spend days trying to start. The thing was a nightmare. Got that off a well-known internet shopping site owned by some guy called Jeff. The Texas, it's heavy. On its own, really heavy. Once you've got the harness on, it takes all the weight off it. And it's like conducting an orchestra. It's just effortless, it's brilliant. It's really, really good. It's comfortable. I can wear it for ages. And for a guy like me who suffers from a bad back, no problems at all today. We're at it now for a couple of hours and it's brilliant. I'm relaxed, I'm fine. It's quiet too. Some of these strimmers, they're so noisy, you've got to wear ear protectors and everything. I haven't had to do that today because it's so quiet. It's really, really quiet. Really good machine. Now, for the purpose of the video, I will tell you this, that It's not a paid video, I'm not being paid for this, my views are my own, but the equipment was provided to me from Texas Equipment, so big shout out to them. Thanks very much, guys, really appreciate it. And a big shout out to Atkins in Bandon as well, because they're the guys who organised this for me as well, so it's a big thank you. If you need any gardening equipment, guys, head to Bandon in West Cork there, speak to Atkins, the lads in there are brilliant, really good, loads of knowledge there if you have any problems as well. Anyway, that wraps it up for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.
We will ride into battle, and this will be our horse.